Obiadim ewo man Ghana mu say campaign no etumi ahyase both parties no NDC NPP obia the campaign na the flag bearer of the new patriotic party Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in fact car bi pa or the campaigner and as a car the new patriotic party stickers ebobo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia stickers ebobo ho the campaigner is when you do twemu kura misaka video manko enkohwe video name brazil ya
That's right. Yes, that's right.
For a couple of days, weeks now, I've been having calls, people calling me. Also, go back and prophesy again. Because what you are saying is not possible. And the more they say it, the more I see it clear. Especially when they said that 13 people are going to stand for the election. Watch me. This election will not go a second round. Mark my words. I'm serious. I've heard that great researchers have researched and everybody is saying it will go on a second round and all that. But I'm saying it. If you insult me, you are not insulting me. You are insulting the one that is speaking to me. So it's up to you, your children and your family. Me, I don't care. Who will make crowd for me? Meshia will be I met somebody who stood on the television and was speaking bad about me. When he saw me, he couldn't even look at my face. He bowed his head like this for about 35 minutes. And he was unlucky to be sitting close to me on the flight. He couldn't lift up his head. It's me crowd whom ya. Na me no to wa ofere me. Do to me kasenti ya me. Eti say obiya research na obeka de wona. And I told you say it's taking me 1.5 years to say what I'm saying here. And this one too, you can take it on and tell everybody I'm saying that this election is not going on the second round. And I mean it. So not because of anything, but because that was what I heard God say.
Let me see.
And I'm very confident of what I'm saying because when I see God speak, I see. And when I hear Him speak, I hear. So if somebody, there are a lot of people that have been prophesying and saying the opposite of what I said. Nobody is insulting them. This is not about insult. This is my field. And if you are not scared that as for Prophet Victor, whatever he says come to pass, then you should not be scared. You see me as one of those people. And let us see, at the end of the day, the prophets will be known from the people.
Then in Sambia, Ecoso, El Manganima, Missumi Saka, Amedi Abremo. Video no so able. My entire so, Nayan baby Dimu and Gomo.
Deputy General Secretary. I will begin a radio so can say or no, say away your big chenny petty no yadi, na yami way. Na mena make a never been away DC. Maka Mofa, and I must say Momusha make it to an Amodica. Mopa Munian passing off, no Mukoti, you see what's enough. A branch and American Deputy General Secretary, I a friend of Bombardier. Tomorrow, my name is DT, you are safe platform. Also, there was a payment. Me see, and penny for more and people, Mumma Pine, and faces Uncle Shafu, no my chili toto. I prefer them saying it on authority, saying Transiman Kwasiaphobia and Telcoma. na me ka che IGP amana ti ase se sebi ente sukoko obi anumo IGP you are supposed to protect the peaceful coexistence of the political parties okuma MPP enye ya gene se sebi e be ja power dia mo obi awo Ghana for say ombeto aba mayen Ghana for say omo to MPP Ghana for say 2 million omo de be mayen na NDC for so ma lusu etinen some fool and omo prepare the ground to do any miscreant electoral commission double ball results na MPP winning Dr. Bawumia declare no results no be president elect na bema bi so kroma o se friend Bumbandi o so no na ye fix the country no church krom aka mo bache bo samia o kroma
ba bia me ba Raf se nipa bebre nim se kokofu hima ba ne Raf na ene de me ka se ohene ba aye me nua ba ma esa aye me ba ena Raf so ya me ba na da bia ya na me ka se Samira aye me maame ya no bi nti ase se Samira Bawumia aye me maame ewo musa yesi yenye politics de na nso me nua ketewa ye friend kwa metwum lawyer kwa metwum ye ka akire no me papa ma on na ye last born Samira adopt na one ne nenam oye ne pie oye ne ba enti sameka se Samira ye me maame a me nua no maame no ti me nso me maame no ena me maame kunu ne Alhaji Dr. Bawumia eti sa me papa ye yi no se o metu franka amaga na man a me papa na ebetu franka no ena me nua enso doctor eya abedi akire ena me ba
video kesi bi so ekoso man ko na nkwohwe sa video no so embra sisi a
na de America nyina ne se yesi me yanya politics na me bayi kwanti me betumi atena se me ntena se efise wo se me kasa bi enso ma me ba ne o mu se me ti akonwa so de dan so oba wo yefunu ba ekwa akodi akonwa na wo so betena se wo to me ntena se so ahun efise me din osagefo no se mu ni makokofu hima me de osagefo kisiwa mu abaye na abakosa mo tai osagefo achi no ne bakitikiti na ekoko na ba ema ni ho e wo sakwala no medware no na mesiesie no na meta na chi no okoko na sanku nimdie ni ba santimemu no ena ye de sabodi ni bo kokofu hima
anam de kasebo na ebisiam de kasebo ye bidi e de opin gebo sechi bakram